Salt Lake City, AP, a wall of water swept away 2 vehicles carrying women and children in a Utah-Arizona border town Monday, killing at least 8 people and leaving 5 others missing in a community that served as a home base for polygamous sect leader Warren Jeffs, authorities said. 3 people survived as the flash flooding washed the vehicles several hundred yards downstream about 5 p.m. MDT, Hildale Assistant Fire Chief Kevin Barlow said. The flood obviously caught these people off guard, Barlow told the Associated Press. Witnesses say they were backing out of it trying to get away from it and it still swept them in.